So, Kawaka YouTube, Dano here. I was planning on washing my car, but as you can see, it's raining and I really don't see the point because I'm heading back out. I'm heading over to Stooky today. Don't know what we have planned yet, but we'll see. Alright, so I need to bring the front lip of my Integra because I'm not gonna be putting that on my Integra, and I'm gonna be bringing this to Stooky. So we'll see what he does with it. Not sure what his plans are, but yeah, loading this up in the car and I'll be on my way. Ah dang, it's raining pretty hard. Look. What up? Okay, so I brought the Honda front lip for Stooky, and he's mocking it up on the Subaru.
Will this fit my Subaru?
Hold it. I can go. If you put us on it,
Yeah,
scared. It's almost the same, so you know, dimension wise. Hi.
On my cellphone yet. Dawatik water mo sing makadamo to rin yung konting yung court har namin dire si halikang bicho
Fiber maka. Gonna cut it.
Yep,
Here and right in the middle.
We're gonna eye pass it.
I bet the Honda guys will be like, no, what are you doing? I need a lip.
Will this fit my Subaru?
All right. Oh, nice.
Sitting all sexy.
Plucking lang ang tipi from the kahoring. Pinaptip. Alright, so it's already mocked up and there. Don't chings ano? Ikot ako ang centimeter. Yeah, kanya 1 centimeter.
Please, smidge hiervan weghalen zodat is.
Alright. The master. Where did you learn how to saw that perfectly?
School.
Wow, that's it. Sit nicely. The Honda lip. The Honda lip. One step closer to Stan's Nation. Just the wheels. Just the rims nog. It looks so flimsy, man. Hele bumper van je is zo flimsy. Echt zo hook. Purely cosmetic.
No power added.
Go continuously. Go continuously to.
Natami lang natin siguro to. You won't see it.
Put one sticker.
Meh.
Set a sticker. A meh sticker here. Oh, achtie. How many?
Engineering at its finest. So, and it's also time to start the car.
Oh, dat ref limiter? Of BR?
Dat was in 2 steps, ano?
2-step.
Ref limiter is open.
Kalau go. Tachometer aero ko?
Yeah.
Pasti ya aduk dulu ini, Pak. Hai. Gas boost.
Kalau kau pakai clutch, ni sedang clutch twist tu tau. For flat foot shifting. Kalau kau pakai. Yup, it works. Flat foot shift. Oh, open lang.
Let's ready for 30th of June.
Baby. Thank God. Let's see.
Maar die BR kan je stellen hoeveel RPM je doet, no?
Ja, dit is voor die ref limiter zelf. Dit is voor die two-step. En dit is van hoe snel je het wil laten afgaan. Dus
nice.
op, pai. Dus hij is
Maar nice. Hey. A lot of research.
Okay, let me give you a rundown on how I finally got the car to idle at its best again. I was having some boost issues. The first thing I changed was the coil packs. The coil packs and then the injectors. When I started the car wasn't idling very good. As you can see in the previous videos, the car was kind of stumbling, and that's because I used the eBay special coils.
And now you have OEM.
Just go OEM. Gewoon echt fabrieksstandaard bij output. En daarna, na die dingen, na die twee, te hebben verwisseld, stationaire die waren ook niet goed. Het begon ook weer te sputteren, alhoewel ik eerder die MEF sensor veranderd. Ik heb wat dingen dat ik denk, die was ook een eBay special. Ik heb gekregen waarvoor ik heb betaald. Het werkte maar voor 3 maanden. The MEF sensor only worked for 3 months and then I took a dump on me, a big dump. And I also got the OEM of that, the original one, and the car idles much better. And last but not least, what I also did was for fuel economy, I also changed the O2 sensor.
Okay.
What boy? How old is the car? The car is a 94, and we are in 2018, 20 plus years, and the O2 sensor has never been changed. So yeah.
94? 94. Yeah,
94.
24 years.
24 years or 20 plus years. Happier, happier man. Actually, I was going to go do a test drive, but
The weather.
and I just washed my car, and I'm not the kind of person to wash a car and go dirty it again because it's raining for a test drive now. I'll just wait on it. You guys will be seeing a video on that for the first test drive. I hope it boosts good. I hope it holds boost, and yeah.
That's it.
Dano also came to me with the front lip. The car looks much nicer now, much meaner, a little more aggressive. Oh yeah, I need your opinion. What do you guys recommend? Do I stay with these headlights, or do you guys recommend me the stock headlights of the GC8 itself? Because I'm kind of clueless on that.
Just arrived home, and look what is happening there. There is actually fuel leaking out of the injector. Like there is a massive amount of fuel. It's just spraying on the manifold there. Definitely need to get the ejector checked. What do we have here? There is actually water inside the lens. Alright guys, so I just got home. Today was a very exciting day. I hit a pothole. Luckily, nothing happened to my tire or my rims, but it was a very scary moment there because it hit pretty hard. And as you guys know, my tires are pretty, very slim, small sidewalls, and I was panicking for a moment that maybe my tires were, shredded, or my rims were, they had a dent or something. But luckily, nothing happened, and I do need to fix the injector that is leaking because I bought fuel, but it's already on empty right now, so basically wasted all the fuel. And also, my street is flooded again. I almost got stuck. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give me a like and subscribe for the coming updates. Till next time, see ya.